There comes a point in life when we have to ask ourselves, what are we really chasing? The pursuit of money is like this endless race that never seems to end, always just out of reach, no matter how much we accumulate. I've felt it, and I'm sure you have too. It's that pressure, society's invisible hand pushing us to earn more, to buy more, to achieve more, as if that's the ultimate definition of success. But deep down, we both know that money, while necessary, doesn't equal happiness. The more we chase it, the more we lose touch with the things that truly matter. Relationships, health, peace of mind, these things often take a back seat to I think it's time we start talking about letting go of that burden. It's not about abandoning all responsibilities or giving up on ambition. It's about choosing to live in a way that doesn't make money the center of our world. Imagine what life could be like if we stopped letting money dictate every decision we make. Sure, there's a certain level of comfort that financial security brings, and I'm not saying we shouldn't strive for that. But after a certain point, does having more really make us happier? Or does it just... I've been thinking a lot about this lately, how the constant focus on earning more keeps us in a cycle of anxiety. You worry about losing what you've worked so hard for. You worry about the future, and in the process, you forget to live in the present. You forget that life is happening right now, not in some distant future where you've accumulated enough wealth to finally relax. The truth is, there will never be enough if we keep measuring our W. Letting go of the obsession with money is like lifting a weight off your socks. Living with less doesn't mean living with lack. Sometimes, simplifying life, reducing the noise, and stepping away from the rat race allows us to actually see what we have. And often, we realize that we already have more than enough. The moments of contentment, the quiet mornings, the laughter shared with loved ones, that's real wealth. And it doesn't require a fortune to access it. You and I both know people who are financially wealthy, but emotionally bankrupt. They have the big houses, the fancy cars, the bank accounts overflowing, but ask them if they feel truly at peace. And the answer is often no. They're still chasing something, still feeling like it's never enough. But when you make the decision to let go of that constant need for more, you create space for a different kind of abundance. One that can't be measured by dollars, but by the depth of your life experiences. So maybe it's time to redefine what success means. Maybe it's not about the size of the paycheck, but the quality of our days. Maybe it's about waking up with a sense of purpose that isn't tied to how much money you'll make today, but rather, how much you'll enjoy the life you're living. It's not easy to shift away from what we've